Hey guys, Murray from National Wireless here, and today I'm going to be showing you through Motorola's R7. This is a digital portable radio with AI-operated audio processing, IP68 Ingress Protection Rating, and advanced connectivity options. Available with a full keypad display, the Motorola R7 operates in both 5W VHF and 4W UHF options and provides clear audio up to 107 phons. With up to 20 hours battery life thanks to a 2200 mAh Li-ion battery, the Motorola R7 is built for extended shift time. The R7 operates in both digital and analog mode and provides a slim form factor weighing only 316 grams. Ideal for a wide range of industry users, the R7 comes available with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS compatible models. 2.4-inch color display provides easy navigation, whilst bell clip attachments allow for ease of carry. On the left-hand side of the model, you'll find 3 programmable buttons and the push-to-talk key. The top of the model contains the volume control knob, channel selection knob, dedicated emergency button, and the antenna screw-in. Additionally, the LED indicator displays the radio status. Inside the box you'll find the radio shell, the UHF PMAE 4079A antenna, the radio's belt buckle clip and dust cover, as well as the charging equipment. The wall plug-in provides 220 to 240 input voltage, while the Li-ion battery provides 15.8 watts per hour. The PNPN 4527 single unit charger conserves space when charging. The Motorola R7 is available now with National Wireless. That's all for the day guys, and thanks for watching.